2022 RAV4 TRD Off-Road Capability. A TRD-tuned suspension with enhanced rebound control and red coil springs with revised spring rates mean better ride quality, while the skid plate helps protect the underside when tackling gravel-covered roads. With 203 horsepower, an 8-speed transmission, dynamic torque vectoring AWD, TVAWD, and multi-terrain select, MTS, it's no wonder our TRD engineers jumped at the chance to redefine what TRD off-road stands for. Drive modes. 3 distinct drive modes let you tailor RAV4's driving dynamics to match your mood. Sport mode provides sharper acceleration, Eco mode helps maximize fuel efficiency, and normal mode blends fuel economy with performance. Multi-link rear suspension. Enjoy a smooth ride that delivers driving confidence. RAV4's multi-link rear suspension helps enhance handling and control by working with its natural body rigidity in order to keep traction steady.